Hi, welcome to my channel, Math Made Easy with Laurel. I'm Laurel, and in this video we're going to talk about how we find effective and equivalent interest rates using the BA2 Plus calculator. If you're asked to find the effective interest rate equivalent to a nominal interest rate, such as 6% compounded monthly, your calculator can do it for you. Your first step is to go second function interest conversion, which is right here. So second function interest conversion. The first thing it asks for is nominal interest rate, which is 6%. So we're going to enter that. Make sure you press enter after putting the number in. Then press your arrow up. And it's asking for compound periods per year. If it's compounded monthly, there will be 12. It's already set at 12, but if it was a different number, you would put 12 and then enter. Then press the arrow key again. This is effective interest rate. That's what you want to calculate. So you go compute, and you get 6.17%. So nominal rate of 6% compounded monthly will be equivalent to an effective rate of 6.17%. And what that means is it's 6.17% compounded annually. Let's do a few more examples. Our next example says find the effective rate equivalent to 4.95% compounded semi-annually. So our nominal rate is 4.95. If it's compounded semi-annually, that means there's 2 compound periods per year, and we're going to find the equivalent effective rate. We can clear this, go second function clear, so that clears our work. Enter the nominal rate of 4.95, press enter, arrow. The compound periods per year, 2, enter, arrow. Now let's compute this, 5.01%. So we've changed the nominal interest rate of 4.95% compounded semi-annually to an effective rate of 5.01%. Next example says find the effective rate equivalent to 24% compounded daily. So our nominal rate is 24. If it's compounded daily, that means there are 365 compound periods in a year, and we're going to find the effective rate. So again, we can clear this. We're going to enter 24, enter. Then 365, enter, and then compute. 27.11% would be the effective rate equivalent to the nominal rate of 24% compounded daily. You may also be asked to change a nominal interest rate to another nominal interest rate, so not an effective interest rate. For example, it says what nominal interest rate compounded monthly is equivalent to 6.5% compounded semi-annually. In order to do this, you're going to convert this to an effective rate. So our nominal rate is 6.5% compounded semi-annually, and let's find the effective rate. So we're going to clear. So nominal is 6.5, enter. Compound periods per year is 2, enter. Let's compute the effective interest rate. 6.61%. And we'll leave it exact. I'm just going to write it down, round it off. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take that effective rate of 6.61, and you want to know what nominal rate it's equal to if it's compounded monthly. So we're going to keep that value in. We're going to change our compound per year to 12, and then we're going to get it to calculate the nominal interest rate. So let's press our arrow and go to compound periods per year, and we're going to change that to 12. Enter. And then we've got our effective rate. Scroll again and compute the nominal interest rate is 6.41. So we went from one nominal interest rate, 6.5% compounded semi-annually, and we changed that to another nominal rate, 6.41% compounded monthly. Those two are equal. So you can use this interest conversion function to change from a nominal rate to an effective rate to a nominal rate, and from one nominal rate to another one. When you're done working with that, you want to quit, so second function, quit.